If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions on limits. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 5, 6 and 7. Okay, then let's see this. Now if you see this one, so this one, when you see this question and if there is an option DNA does not exist, then you have to be a little careful, because that means your left hand right hand is not equal. If they are asking what is the value, that means that is exist, you solve it, that will be answer. But here you have to be little careful. And why you have to be careful? Because there is a root. Because there is a root, generally what we take, root is always positive number. So that will make some difference. So if it is 1 minus cos theta, it will be root 2 sine square theta by 2. So this theta by 2, it will be x minus 2. So if you take this root out, you have to be careful, because we always take positive value. That's why I am giving it a mod. Why I am giving mod sign? Because they always, if it is not mentioned otherwise, always we will take the root is, always we will take positive. So that is mod. Now there will be a difference in left hand limit and right hand limit. Now if you take left hand limit, so your limit will be limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means it is little less than 2. So if it is little less than 2, then sine 1.99999. There is also one idea of going to h. So what is h? H is a very small positive number that you always consider, and because you want to go to 2 minus h, that is little less than 2, so you take generally h is equal to x 2 minus h. X is equal to for 2 minus. Why? Because if h is very small numbers, then 2 minus small number will be little less than 2. Because I am going to 2 minus, so I will always put x equal to 2 minus h. So that is also one idea to calculate this type of limit. But if you can do it in your mind, that is okay. So here, if x goes to 2, then h is also goes to 2. So you can change the limit. So from, okay, whatever 2 minus, keep it as it is, don't cancel it. So you can change it to limit h tends to 0. H is a positive number, so it is always going to 0 plus. And it is root 2. So instead of sine, what will be this value? Instead of x, what we will write? 2 minus h. To 2 minus h minus 2. So it will be 2 cancel. Mod of this one will be sine h. And this is minus h. So it will give you minus root 2. This is your LHL. So if you go to RHL, what we will do in RHL? RHL we will do x is equal to 2 plus h. Because you are going to 2 plus little greater than 2. So if you add now h, it will cross 2. H is a very small positive number in both these cases. So that's why if you again go to x goes to 2, then your h will always goes to 0, because it is very close. If it is 2, then it is 2 to get cancelled, then h is 0. So your limit 2 plus whatever function, it will convert it into limit h tends to 0, root 2 sine of, instead of x we will write 2 plus h minus 2. So what it will be now? Limit h tends to 0, root 2 sine h by h, which will be root 2. You can see your left hand and right hand are not equal, so therefore it is does not exist. So if there is a DNA, then you have to be very careful. You be careful about your left and right hand. Try to do left and right hand both and see whether they are matching or not. Now if you come to question number 6, there is simple formula, a simple answer, no DNA, so you can directly try with your formula. So it is 1 minus cos 2x 3 plus cos x divided by x tan 4x. If you put x equal to 0, obviously there will be problem. It is 0 by 0, undefined. So you know 1 minus cos 2x, you can easily write it limit x tends to 0, 2 sine square x divided by, for taking care of this sine square you need 1x square, but you have a 1x, you have given 1 extra x, so that's why I have given this one, and this can be easily dealt with this way. There is no problem. If you put 0, it is 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So these will take care of this, these will take care of this, so it will be 1. And here what we need? Limit x tends to 0, let me write it for you. It is tan 4x divided by 4x, but 4 is not there, so again 3 plus cos x. You can put 0, it will give you the answer. So 2 into, this will be 1, this will be 1 by 4, and this will be 3 plus 1. So 4 get cancelled, your answer is 2. That is your option D. Now if you come to 7, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x tan inverse. So this one you can write tan inverse 1 and you can apply that formula. So let me write it tan inverse 1, then I will apply this formula. So this will make this algebra little bit simplified for you. So if you do this one, tan inverse A minus tan inverse B, so what is the formula? Tan inverse x minus plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1, 10a minus 10b by 1 plus 10a 10b. So if you do this one, you will get, I am directly writing it, you can easily take LCM and simplify. So it will be tan inverse minus x by, you can easily do it, 2x minus 2x, it is minus x, 1 will get cancelled, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2. Now what was the formula? Limit tan inverse x by x, but you don't have tan inverse, you have lots of things here, x by this, but you see if you put 0, it is 0 by 0 format, because these x you can think in the denominator. So if it is 0 by 0 format, you are stuck, then you go for L'Hopital rule. So L'Hopital rule will take some time here, because this x is in the denominator, this differentiation may take some time, but it will be helpful for you, because we don't have any other option. It was tan inverse x by x, lots of things are there that is not in the formula. So if you do differentiation of this one, it is 1 x. Separately you do differentiation, not u by v, and tan inverse differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x square by 3x plus 2 whole square, and differentiation of this one, that minus you can bring outside, and differentiation of this one. Again this one is u by v formula, so 3x plus 2. Those who know differentiation, they can do it. Those who don't know, just bear with me for some time. 3x plus 2, then it is minus x constant, 3x is x. So if you ultimately do, it will look like limit x tends to 0, minus will be there, 3x will get cancelled, and 3x plus 2 whole square will also get cancelled. So it will be 2 divided by 3x plus 2 whole square plus x square. Ultimately you will get this. So if you put now 0, it will be 2 divided by 4, that is half. Minus is also there, minus half. So that is your option B. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.